Good afternoon, good evening, guys. I am underscore Naliaho, and today has been a funny day because there was no electricity yesterday night. There was no electricity yesterday night, and so I woke up with while my phone was dead. So right now, I've just gotten from that house. There, I charged with solar from this Auntie Mary's place, Auntie Mary Africa. She has a channel, Auntie Mary Africa. That's where I went to charge my phone. I've just collected it now. It's afternoon here in Nyabohanse, and it's great connecting with my viewers again. Today, and anyway, guys, welcome to my channel. I am underscore Naliaho. Today we are still working at Daniel Mwita'S construction site, and we are still helping the process of landscaping. The landscaper will come and arrange everything, so that's why we are working on digging up the maram and bringing it to the front of the Daniel Mwita'S house. So we are still doing the digging and taking the maram in front of the yard, from the backyard to the front yard. That's what we are doing. Yes. So today you just keep on stay tuned to my channel and see how we are doing the job. It's good to connect with you guys again, and let's see how the day is gonna turn out. It's a bit hot, and we hope for the best today. So my subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for following, and I also told you guys I have a playlist. Just go to it and press play all. Watch my videos from beginning to the end, as I am chasing the 4,000 watch hours and 2,000 subscribers. That's where I want to get to. Before I want to monetize, before I go back to Bungoma and Habukoya village, my village, back home. So guys, keep on supporting me in whichever way you can. You'll support me by watching my videos from beginning to the end and subscribing. To those viewers who are, there are so many of you who are watching the videos, you are viewing the videos, but you are not they are not subscribing. Please don't forget to press that subscribe button. Yes, guys, here I left my buddies here, my colleagues here, resting after doing this job. When we're doing this job here, so this is our workstation here today. We're supposed to align this place, and this is where we are shoveling this onto the wheelbarrows and taking it to the front yard. So my guys are here. Ushibi is there with his wheelbarrow. He's just come now. And here we have Okwemba, who's been digging up the soil.
Okay, I'm here. We are doing some landscaping.
Yes.
So we are trying our best, but we are at least we have been taking water.
Yeah, water.
Water.
Yeah, enough water.
Enough water. in order to
Hydrate.
to give us some energy.
Yes.
So support Naliaho,
Yes.
subscribe, comment, watch. I think it is you are now at 1,000 watch hours.
1,000 watch hours.
So support him to 4,000 watch hours.
Yes.
Yeah. And me, I'm Okwemba. I think I can show my channel here.
Yes.
Okwemba. It is very hard people to do what?
To pronounce your name.
Pronounce your name.
Okwemba.
Ionekane mzuri.
Yeah, there it is. Okwemba.
Okwemba.
Yes.
Yeah. Please support, subscribe. Yeah.
Please, guys, subscribe to my brother.
Yeah.
Here, Okwemba.
Okwemba.
Show him love by
Yeah,
subscribing. Take him to 1,000 subscriptions.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Dogo. You want to say something? Say hello.
Hello.
Hello to my viewers.
Hello to my viewers.
To Naliaho's viewers.
To Naliaho's viewers.
Yeah, this guy is a very shy guy, young man, and he's yet to start his channel, but he's also helping out here to Daniel Mwita'S construction site. Here we have Lady Fema. She's very tired.
I told you I'm tired.
Yeah, very tired. She's been working from morning.
I'm working, but I'm not yet tired.
Yeah.
I'll be tired maybe in the evening.
Yeah.
For now, yeah, I was taking water here. As you can see, this is a cup.
Yeah.
So it is Fema Travels here.
Yes. FAYMAR
Travels. Let me show you my channel.
Yes.
So guys, push me also to hit 1,000 subscribers. For now, in the morning I was at 540, and if like 460 of you now come to my channel, I will just hit 1,000 subscribers, just like that. Only 460 of you. This is the previous screenshot that I made. Let me show them. This is my channel.
Yeah, Fema Travels there.
Yeah, so guys, let's go and continue shoveling the soil.
Yeah.
To the wheelbarrows as we push it there to other side. We will be using it to do landscaping once the construction site is completed.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Brushy B here.
Brushy B.
Yeah. Hello guys, this is Brushy B. Yeah guys, so we are here at Daniel's construction site. We are doing some landscaping.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, go and check out at Brushy B. BRASHI, a space and a B.
Where is your phone?
My phone, I left it charging. I have problems with my phone.
Yeah.
But as time goes by, I'll catch up.
You catch up.
Yeah, I'll catch up. I'm trying to see if I'll buy another good phone. Yeah, I should buy, not I'm seeing.
Okay.
I should buy a good phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, guys. So go and check out at Brushy B. Subscribe. Give me comments, positive comments, like the videos, and yeah, guys.
And share.
And share. Also share the videos, share the channel. Road to 20k subscribers.
Yes.
Yeah, and also push Naliaho. Road to 10k.
Yes.
Yeah, and also watch the videos from the start to the end.
Yes.
So that he can monetize. He can reach to 4,000 watch time hours.
Yes.
Yeah, guys.
So guys, that is Brushy B.
Brushy B.
Yeah, we are going on with the work.
Yeah.
And guys, support them wherever they are.
Yeah.
Dogo, shika hiyo, nifuate na hii wheelbarrow. Usiweke kidole hapa. Huku usiweke kidole.
Back to job.
So guys, this is what I'm doing today. Dakika 12. So guys, here we are going to pour all this here, but we are going to wait for the the masons to do plastering. They'll do it. They'll mix the sand and cement here. But this one, later on, we will level it up. We want this side to come up. That's why we are putting all this soil here. So this is what we've been doing since morning. Hata ukusaidia simu? Wanakusaidia? Yeah.
Just small thing.
Tisa. Tisa.
Masai Konya. Usinimwagilie mchanga kwenu. Niko hapa nyuma yako.
Nyuma yangu. Kijana ama kijana mzee?
Kijana mzee.
Angalia mzee wangu. Kama ni huyu. Naona anapiga kitu. Na ananiuliza mkuta aje.
Hata sijui imeenda huko ama iko huko. Sasa inafaa nitafute. Nitafute na kijiko.
Hii naona nikiita kalama nyingine tena. Beba.
Go.
Shikilia hivi.
Safari ya mwisho. Hiyo ni ya kazi. Guys, it's lunch time here at Daniel Mwita'S construction site. We are on a lunch break here. Hiyo ni yangu. Chukua tu.
Mwingine. Another one to come.
This is about 15 minutes.
You see, it is very, very dark. We have been shoveling the sand here, the soil. We will use it to do
Landscaping.
Landscaping, yeah, landscaping.
In preparation for landscaping.
Yeah, in preparation for landscaping. Wow. Look, it is very, very dark. Look at the sky. Enda.
Niende.
Go. Ndaka ya mwisho sasa niende na hiyo nyumba. Shovel.
Guys, it wants to rain. The skies are... Ngoja nikuje karibu hapo. It wants to rain. The clouds are pregnant with rain.
Exactly.
Yes.
Accident. Accident on the side.
As you can see,
Haijafika 5.
bado.
Wacha ifike 5. At least nakuwa na 15 minutes.
Hata mimi utanichukua.
Na mimi
Tutashare video. Nafani nikushare kwa WhatsApp.
na inaweza kama kweli. Unajua hivyo?
Mimi
Mpe dakika sasa. Sema nipe sasa. Enda. Nani anaendesha hiyo?
Kusanyeni, angalia hii.
Enda. Leta hiyo.
Amite. Toa gari. Toa dada.
I am ready to be loaded with the soil. It is coming, the rain is coming.
Here we are.
Yeah. Bosco, you see dog?
Oh yeah. What you gonna do now? Oh, we're trying to beat the rain. We do whatever we can because, as you can see, show them how the clouds. Yeah, the clouds are very, very pregnant.
Yeah.
Pregnant with rain. Yes.
Excuse me, remove your fuso. Remove your fuso.
What you gonna do now? We need some more soil. The one that we dug is finished. Where can we get more soil?
I think you can still dig more.
Let me just kusanya some here. Bring it here. There's my crew. We are busy working. They are busy shoveling on the wheelbarrow, and my job will be to drive the wheelbarrow to the front and pour it there. The skies are pregnant with rain. The clouds are pregnant with rain, and anytime now it might rain. There is Okwemba, there is Fema Travels, there is Brushy B, and ahead of them is Dogo. It's all looking like this. It's all good. Good evening. I am _Nelyaho, and we are in Nyabohansi village, Daniel Mwita'S construction site, and inside their original parents' compound. As you can see behind me, we're just tying up things, putting the tools that we worked with inside after the rain came down like I don't know what. It has rained cats and dogs out here in Nyabohansi village, and you can see the compound we are in, the original parents' compound. There it is. And my colleagues behind, they want to bring in the wheelbarrows, spades, and the jembes. I don't know they're called what, hoes in English. Hose with H-O-E. If they're many, I don't know if they are hose, yeah. So we've really, it's rained for like 1 hour. So we had to stop working until tomorrow. That's when we'll continue with the gathering of all the soil and bringing it at the front end of the Daniel Mwita'S construction site. So it has been a good day, a good day. So guys are bringing in the things, the tools that we've worked with, and I guess we'll catch up later. So I am _Nelyaho, and it's been great talking to you. So stay tuned tomorrow as we go on with the work in preparation for the landscape, in preparation for the landscaping that is going to take place there. And it will be amazing to see the end of all these projects. So, guys, I thank all those who are supporting Daniel Mwita in in achieving in whatever he wants to achieve here, a good house, a decent home for him and the future family. And also thank my subscribers who have always been with me, supporting me, commenting, advising in each and every way. Thanks so much for your advice. They've really helped me. You're my family, you know. And there's no any other family that I have here in Nyabohanse expects you, my subscribers. So keep on watching my tips, my videos from beginning to the end, so that I can achieve the 4,000 watch hours. And also keep on subscribing so that I can get to 2,000 subscribers. Yes. You've been tremendous, and I love you all. May God bless you all. We are Team Marwa, always. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Going home. It has rained, but at least we have gumboots on us. So we're going back to our rooms, going back to Nyabohanse, have a cup of tea, then I go to my room. It has rained. And by the way, it's still drizzling. It is still drizzling. You can see the way it is rained. Still drizzling. As we are walking, it's still drizzling. Remove my hair because it's still drizzling. Still drizzling. Going back to our roots in our rooms. If I get money before the end of the month, I will move to Nyabohanse markets, where I saw a good place, a good room, not like the one we are in right now. So if I get some money, I will definitely move, because today there is no power, there was no electricity. I slept in the darkness, but it's all good. It's all good. We'll manage. We'll survive this. Marahaba. So that's how the day has ended. It has rained cats and dogs. So this is how we usually walk every day. I come from my room, I walk up to the construction site and back again. We are used to walking now, and it's good exercise for us. As of me, I know I've shed a couple of kilos, maybe 2 at most, because I can feel it anyway. So guys, till tomorrow, tune in again. I am _Naliaho in Nyabohanse village. So guys, here is where we end our day with a cup of tea, because it has been raining and we felt cold and said we want to warm our stomachs. So we're having some tea and some mandazis right there. Me and my crew. Okwemba there.
Remember.
Lady Fema there. She's busy with uploading videos. So bon appetit. Blue Rock Hotel in Nyabohanse Market. Me and my colleagues, my crew, we are having a cup of tea after it got raining and it's very cold, before we head back to our rooms. At least for now we can call it a day. So guys, thank you for subscribing. Keep on subscribing, keep watching my videos from beginning to the end, and keep on liking our videos, sharing, viewing, and let's get connected through our chats, and we'll keep on giving you good videos. So I am _Naliaho in Nyabohanse Market, and this is how I sign off. Tim Marwa.